Today, we're making a Heron's fountain which uses water and air pressure.
To begin with, you will need 3 bottles or containers. We used applesauce containers, scissors or an X-Acto knife, 7 or more straws, a drill, and a glue gun, or something to be able to glue things together really well.
Make sure you get an adult or guardian to help you with this project.
First, take 2 of the lids and glue them together, one back to back, upside down. Take the lids that you glued back to back, and in the very center, make 2 dots to help you know where you're going to drill. Make sure to pick a drill bit that is the correct size. You need one that is just a little bit bigger than the straw that you're working with. With the third container, you'll need to cut about 1/3 of the way. Be safe with this as you're working with a X-Acto knife. Make sure that with supervision, you put 2 holes in both sets of lids, or both lids. You're going to need to get a bigger drill bit as well for the top of the middle container. You have to flip it upside down. You will need to take your straws and make them into longer straws. Put a little slit at the end of the straw, and then you can slide 2 straws together. Make sure to glue them so that they stay tight. Make sure to cut the bendy bits off the end. Once you have all the parts ready to go, put the lid on to the bottom, the piece that shouldn't have the hole in the bottom. Take the longest straw, stick it through, and it should sit just above the very bottom of the container. Then take your next straw, put it just slightly in. It should only stick about an inch or so below. You're going to want to glue those in place. Now you have to set up your fountain. Pour some in the top so that it'll go down to the bottom. Let it fill up to the bottom. Turn it upside down so everything at the top will go into the second container.
Here is how the fountain should look. Make sure all straws are well glued and the fountain is airtight. We use saran wrap to do this. Other containers could be better. To start your fountain, when primed, put water in the top. The water will go to the bottom and push the air into the middle container. The water in the middle container will make the fountain effect as it is pushed out the top. Thanks to Make Magazine for the science behind this. This has been Isolation Engineering. Catch us Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on our platform.